the Level 2 IFSM Award in the Principles of Carrying Out Fire Risk Assessments. This course has been accredited by the IQ awarding body. The traditional pathways into delivering this highly technical, vital, life-saving work has been traditionally disparate and variable. When we as members of the public need advice from solicitors, doctors, architects and engineers, we rightfully expect that these professionals will have travelled a path of academic and experiential learning that will withstand scrutiny in both an acute or emergency situation and indeed withstand the scrutiny of the law. Fire risk assessors who are having daily conversations with people at this level, now more than ever in light of UK and worldwide events, need to be able to demonstrate that same level of structured learning and practitioner experience as our peer professionals. Our fire risk assessors have traditionally come from the fire and rescue services, building control or the engineering sector, health and safety sector, fire alarms or extinguishing companies, compliance companies, interested people who have sat sector-specific exams. So now we need to show that there is a recognised, professional, externally accredited development pathway that allows new people into our sector. A sector with a demographic that is crying out for younger people. Importantly, this pathway has to be from the bottom up, ensuring that no prior knowledge is needed, taking away access difficulties into a sector that needs the very best people for the future. If we grasp this opportunity of an entry-level pathway, the future can start to look different from the past. If we ignore this, then we will see more and more fire risk assessments and fire risk assessors of an insufficient quality that may lead to more tragic consequences. So what can the IFSM offer our sector to ensure that this pathway is available, accessible and understandable? Starting this autumn, the IFSM offers an externally accredited qualification that a school leaver can undertake and then embark on a pathway into our sector. Once this qualification is successfully completed, they can move on to a Level 3 qualification and, working with competent people, start to deliver non-complex fire risk assessments. The Level 3 qualification is where the new assessor can prove their competence by application of the skills they have learned. Again, a very key area urgently needed across our sector. The knowledge scope required of a fire risk assessor is wide, and this Level 2 course lays it all out for delegates so they can fully appreciate the subject in its entirety and what is expected of them. The course manual from this Level 2 course is designed to accompany the new fire risk assessor long after their course and into Level 3. It will become the reference document that they access during and after their formative years, signposting the key areas that the new fire risk assessor should be aware of when undertaking their role. So now we have an identified pathway for brand new entrants into our sector, and this is the first step on that path. This course is open to the following groups of people: school leavers or new entrants, people with 3 GCSEs, current practitioners, it can be used as CPD, other areas of the fire sector such as from fire alarm and extinguisher companies, people who have previously worked within the fire and rescue services. The course consists of 60 hours over 2 weeks. This is accredited by IQ awarding body, the same body who accredit fire and rescue services enforcing officers. It will be a mixture of technical knowledge and vitally the benefits of experiential knowledge of the professional fire risk assessors involved as tutors. It will be suitably assessed to ensure that the qualification provides the peace of mind this sector has required for the last few years. It will be delivered by IFSM's strategic partners STK Fire and Risk Management Limited in Wolverhampton under the auspices of the IFSM. Successful delegates will come out of the course with a Level 2 qualification, a course manual which will be a vital reference document going forward, and 1 year's subscription to Fire Risk Consultancy's e-learning course covering the underpinning knowledge for fire risk assessors. The ability to be immediately enrolled with the IFSM at technical member status. Interested people should contact STK Fire and Risk Management Limited for further details.